The world population is expected to reach 9.8 billion by 2050, and 70% of that population would reside in our cities, utilizing the full potential of our urban infrastructure. Leaders in the countries are aiming to fuel their economies by exciting the world by mega project initiatives. Be it Saudi Arabia's ambitious vision of NEOM or Indian government's aim to revitalize the Ayodhya and its religious economy. Let us dissect some of these ambitious mega projects around the globe one by one. NEOM, the Lion. NEOM, a massive development project in Saudi Arabia led by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, aims to create a futuristic region featuring multiple cities, resorts, and ambitious architecture endeavors. The flagship project, The Lion, is a 170-kilometer linear city designed to accommodate 9 million people with unique skyscrapers and mirrored facades. Other regions within NEOM include Oxagon, Trojena, Sindala, each boasting distinctive features such as floating port city, a ski resort, and an island resort. Several renowned architecture firms are involved in designing various aspects of NEOM. Although some have distanced themselves from the project due to ethical concerns, ambitious timelines have been set, with completion dates ranging from 2024 for the Sindala resort to 2045 for the Lion megacity. However, skepticism surrounds these timelines, especially given concerns about sustainability, livability, and human rights violation. Critics point out issues such as forced evictions of the Huai Dat tribe from the development site, as well as doubts about the project's sustainability claims. Despite aspirations for 100% renewable energy and enhanced livability, concerns persist about the significant carbon footprint associated with construction and the potential negative impact on wildlife. Experts caution that maintaining the promised standards of livability in such a controlled environment may prove challenging over time. Toyota Woven City. Toyota's Woven City is not just a city, it's a visionary experiment aimed at shaping the future of urban living. Nestled near Mount Fuji in Susono, this innovative project serves as a testbed for mobility solutions and societal advancements, with a mission to enhance humanity and engage society. At its core, Woven City is a collaborative endeavor bringing together Toyota Group developers, partner corporations, startups, entrepreneurs, and residents to create a vibrant ecosystem of innovation. Here, everyone is considered an inventor, contributing their ideas and expertise to develop inventions that improve everyday life for all. One of the key focuses of Woven City is mobility. By testing and implementing new systems and services, the city aims to expand mobility options and unlock human potential. From autonomous vehicles to pedestrian-friendly streets, the infrastructure is designed to facilitate seamless movement and connectivity. But Woven City is more than just a technological playground. It's a community-driven initiative with a profound mission. Residents of all ages are encouraged to imagine ways to enhance well-being and improve society as a whole. Whether it's through sustainable practices, inclusive design, or innovative social programs, the possibility for positive change are endless within the experimental environment of Woven City. Ultimately, Woven City embodies Toyota's commitment to building a better future for all. By fostering collaboration, creativity, and experimentation, this visionary project seems to weave the future fabric of life, one invention at a time. Dholera Smart City. Dholera Smart City, situated in Ahmedabad district, stands as a symbol of innovation and economic prowess. Positioned strategically on the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor and dedicated freight corridor, It offers vast prospects across various sectors like defense, aviation, electronics, high-tech technologies, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and heavy engineering. Covering a vast area, Dholera Special Investment Region (SIR) encompasses residential, commercial, financial, manufacturing, and recreational zones, with detailed plan for 22 villages within the project. The city's economic potential was further highlighted by a recent investment of 100 crores from Hindustan Construction Company and other investors. Dholera's achievements include recognition as a platinum-rated industrial smart city and greenfield city, as well as its status as the largest land bank in India. Tall skyscrapers. Architects Journal recently reported on Foster and Partners' involvement in designing a groundbreaking 2-kilometer skyscraper in Saudi Arabia, set to surpass the Burj Khalifa and double the height of the previous record holder, the Jeddah Tower. While details are limited, the project is planned for the Saudi capital Jeddah. To comprehend the enormity of such a structure, imagine a 2-kilometer vertical strip towering over Manhattan's Central Park. Given its extreme height to width ratio, the skyscraper would require an exceptionally large footprint, far exceeding that of even the slenderest building like 432 Park Avenue. The core of any skyscraper is critical, housing structural elements, utilities, and lift shafts. With around 500 floors accommodating 100,000 people, efficient vertical transportation becomes paramount. Solutions include sky lobbies and double-decker lifts to optimize space usage. Core designs for such tall buildings often feature a 3-pronged star or a propelled-shaped floor plan, providing stability and wind resistance. While engineering challenges abound, past innovations have demonstrated the potential for ambitious projects. With the right combination of technologies and design solutions, the realization of a 2-kilometer skyscraper may not be as far-fetched as it sounds. Are we the last of the mankind to live on Earth's surface? Climate change is reaching to a point where living on the Earth's surface would be considered as hostile. What would then be the future of cities for our population? Underground living. Underground houses have gained popularity as a unique housing alternative due to several compelling reasons. These homes utilize the earth as insulation, reducing the need for heating and cooling systems, offering natural temperature regulation. They require fewer building materials and energy to maintain, often incorporating features like rainwater harvesting and solar power to further reduce environmental impact. Constructed below ground level, underground houses are less vulnerable to extreme weather events such as high winds, floods, and earthquakes. However, challenges include high construction costs, limited suitable land availability, potential drawbacks such as reduced natural light and outdoor space. Despite these challenges, underground houses offer innovative and sustainable living options. Also, who could forget the great Elon Musk's timeline for the colonization of Mars that involves a crewed mission as early as 2029 and the development of a self-sustaining colony by 2050? And if the concepts like warp drive come true, what if we could be colonizing stars and other galaxies? Are Hollywood science fiction some sort of predictions which will come true in tangible format? Would moving cities like in Mortal Engines or a post-apocalyptic society shown in Mad Max the future truth? Future of our cities could be any fancy Hollywood stuff like Blade Runner or Dune. But one thing is for sure, you would be using BIM to execute your future. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of urban design, building information modeling along with VDC services will be at the forefront, ensuring that our cities are not only smart but also sustainable. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future, where imagination meets technology and where every detail is meticulously crafted for a better tomorrow.